I'm no good at making small talk, but do you mind if I sit down? Indiana was a long shot, and I could use another round. I don't mean to be too bold, no, it's not at all like me. But when you're making your way home, would you like some company? 'Cause oh, I'm tired of sleeping on my own, and oh, I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Whiskey eyelids weigh me down some, when a smoke-filled talk comes too close. And it's these moments where my mind runs from the emptiness of open roads. And oh, I'm tired of sleeping on my own. Oh, I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Come tomorrow, I'll be gone again. So don't ask me for much. I'm no good at keeping promises. I promise this is enough. And oh, I'm tired of sleeping on my own. Oh, it's such a goddamn lonely road, and I'm sleeping alone. But you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? 'Cause you remind me of someplace I call home. Can I stay with you a while? The coffee's ready if you'll have some, and breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day through. Morning left us both defeated. closet's overflowing with all those shoes too big to fill. So what's that song you used to sing me? What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or just empty? Do you hear the silence as loud as I do? You don't say it like you mean it, and I don't mean it like I say. The morning left us both defeated, and it's just been one of those days. So I'll have dinner on the table, and you can help me pour the wine. The paper called for sun tomorrow,